Okay, hi, I'm Dr. Awesome, aka Wes, and this here is the ThinkCenter M92p, and we're going to be doing a quick upgrade on the RAM for this. First things first, right here on the side, it's purple. You want to pull that down, you hear that click. And you want to pop this up, there's these three little dots right here. Right, that's going to be your grip. And then you just, same things on the other side. You just pop that up like so, and here we go. Now you can see inside just fine. Now, next up, we gotta get this bad boy out. This here is a hard drive. This little clip right here, you just push that forward, you just lift it up. There you go. Take that, just hang it off to the side. There's a hard drive out the way. Okay. Alright, next, we have this guy here, CVD. Just want to bring that towards you, and it's on a hinge, so it just comes straight up. There we go. Cool. Alright, now you can see in here, here's our current RAM. Let me just get that camera right in there. So that's our current card that we have in there, which is an 8 gig. And here's all your slots here for the RAM. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull this one out here and install a new one. So to pull it out, you just, this little clip right here, just pull that back. There's the same thing on the other side. There you go. And there we go. This is out now. Cool? Awesome. This here is the new RAM that we're going to put in. It's on right there. And here is the other one. So I have all those in. And we're even going to add this guy in as well. The original one. And we'll see how that looks. I'm going to put this one here underneath here, so in the green. I'm going to use this slot here. We're going to use this one here as well. We are not going to use this one, and we're going to use this one here on the end. And at this point here, I'll insert a picture of why we're using slots 1, 2, and 4. Alright, so this first little bit of RAM. Just put that in there. Okay, and then you can just push down to where it clips. There you go. Cool. So probably have to do it with two hands, but as you can tell, I'm holding the camera with the other. So, yeah. Alright. Now, for the next one, put in these guys here. Alright, now I'm just going to put in this new one here. That right there. There you go. Okay. Okay, now we're going to put in the final one. I guess I should do it like that so you guys can actually see it better. Just fit in the grooves. Fit in the groove. Okay. Alright, so there you have it. You have this one here, and you have this one here. Okay, so you can see. See these two hooks here? They go here and here. And that's it.